Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will comparing Bazzite versus CachyOS. We will see which one is best. Bazzite is based on Fedora Atomic, offering a stable plug-and-play experience, especially on devices like Steam Deck and AMD desktop. It includes a Polish Geonomy/KDE desktop, Flatpak support, and pre-configured tools, making it great for beginners and those who want a console-like experience. CachyOS, based on Arch Linux, is built for raw performance and minimalism. It is lightweight, receives frequent kernel updates, and is ideal for power users who want full system control. However, it demands manual tweaks and Linux knowledge to optimize. Final thoughts. Choose Bazzite if you want a stable, user-friendly gaming setup that work out of the box. Go with CachyOS if you prefer maximum performance control and are comfortable managing your system. So that's all for this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.